I see a couple, I spend 5 minutes with them. Okay. I can tell you if they can go if they can last. I just need 5 minutes. 5 minutes with a couple, I can tell you whether it will be a happy marriage or not. Oh tak semestinya betul lah. Tapi the accuracy I can say maybe about 90%. Yang 10% tu ada kuasa yang lebih. Itu saya kena, I have to give, saya bukan Tuhan. Tapi I can see, because kenapa saya cakap benda ni? Saya bukannya tilik nasib ke apa, tak. Because in every relationship dan segala-galanya dalam hidup, there is this thing called pattern recognition. Okay. You can recognize the pattern.
Alright.
I've also experienced cases where the husband looks really sweet on social media. Oh, bukan main lagi sweet. Tapi di belakang tabir dia pukul bini dia. Teruk. Very violent. Ada juga benda-benda macam tu. There are also women who shows really really loving with the husband, tapi dia ada 2-3 boyfriend kat luar. Okay. Macam-macam case ada. So kita jangan ambil 100% lah pendengar apa yang kita tengok kat social media tu.